Questions 9 to 12. The length of a line is x kilometres. Write down an expression in terms of x for the length of the line in metres. So the first thing we need to know is that 1 kilometre is 1,000 metres. So I know I've got 1,000 and I'm going to times it by x, and I remember that in algebra I do not need to write a multiplication sign, I just write 1,000x. Work out 1/5 of 80. So that is 80 divided by 5, which is 16. So 1/5 of 80 is 16. Catherine has to work out the exact value of 28 divided by a half. She writes 28 divided by a half equals 14. Catherine's reason is there are 2 halves in 1, so there will be 14 halves in 28. Explain what is wrong with Catherine's reason. Well, the first bit is right, there are 2 halves in 1. But if there are 2 halves in 1, there must be 56 halves in 28, because it's doubling. So she has halved 28 when she should have doubled it to get 56. Question 11. We should know our square numbers up to 15 squared, but if we don't, we can try some to try it out. But the square root of 81 is 9. Work out the value of 4 cubed. So 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Be careful, it isn't 3 times 4. It's 4 times by 4 times by 4. So, last one on here. Expand 5 bracket 3m minus 4. So I'm going to use the grid method to help me. 3m minus 4. So 5 times 3m is going to give me 15m, and 5 times minus 4 is going to give me minus 20. These are different terms, so I can't simplify any further. 15m minus 20. I'm going to use the reverse grid to help me. 4n plus 20. What number could go here that goes into 4 and 20? Well, it's 4. So 4 times n gives me 4n, and 4 times positive 5 gives me positive 20. So 4 bracket n plus 5, close brackets.